The setting is Afghanistan. The date, September 12, 2001. Osama Bin Laden wanted to deliver a message to the world, and he asked this man, Suleiman Abu Ghaith, to do most of the talking for him.
America must know that what happened to it is a direct result of this policy, and if America will continue implementing this policy, Muslim sons will not stop under any circumstances.
This and other videotaped speeches praising the 9/11 attacks and warning of more to come provided the backbone of the U.S. government's case against Abu Ghaith. Prosecutors argued that by simply agreeing to make them, he agreed to be part of al-Qaeda's conspiracy to kill Americans and provided material support to a terrorist network, charges that have not been successful in military commissions.
In terms of having laws which can actively apply to these cases, the federal courts are much stronger. This is a case, the Abu Ghaith case, that shows that.
Abu Ghaith himself took the stand and described being summoned to bin Laden's compound on September 11th. There, bin Laden took credit for the attack and asked the Kuwaiti preacher to deliver his message. He would provide the bullet points. Abu Ghaith testified that he had spoken on behalf of Muslims, not al-Qaeda, and government witnesses, including Sajid Badat, who was convicted for plotting to bring explosives on board planes, were not able to link Abu Ghaith explicitly with any plot to kill Americans. Lawyers for Suleiman Abu Ghaith argued that the evidence in this case amounted to little more than words and associations. That was enough to convict him on all of the government's charges. The trial wrapped up in under 3 weeks with little fanfare and little disruption to this neighborhood, just blocks away from where the World Trade Centers once stood. The defense will appeal the conviction.
This case was wrapped in a shroud of secrecy and an inability to get access to people. It continued throughout, right up through Khalid Sheikh Mohammed.
Abu Ghaith could face life in prison when he's sentenced in September. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera, New York.